Did you know that 1 in 4 adults now suffer from knee pain every day? That's over 1 billion people worldwide dealing with the grinding, aching feeling of bone-on-bone arthritis. But here's the exciting part. Scientists have made incredible breakthroughs in treating knee arthritis, and today I'm sharing the most promising new treatments that could change everything for people living with knee pain. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from Heyday Wellness, and I've spent the last 3 months diving deep into the latest medical research about osteoarthritis treatments. I've read through dozens of studies and consulted with leading experts to bring you the most up-to-date information about what's working for knee pain in 2024. In this video, I'll break down the 3 most promising new treatments that are helping people get back to doing what they love. I'll explain exactly how they work, how much they cost, and most importantly, what real patients are saying about their results. Plus, I'll share which treatment the research shows might be the best option for most people. Let's start with what's getting doctors most excited. It's called PRP, or platelet-rich plasma therapy. Now, I know that sounds super technical, but let me explain it in a way that makes sense. You know how when you get a cut, your body sends special healing cells to fix it? Well, PRP is like giving your knee a super-powered dose of those healing cells. Here's how it works. The doctor takes a small amount of your own blood, kind of like when you get a regular blood test. Then they put it in a special machine that concentrates all the healing cells. Finally, they inject these concentrated healing cells right into your knee where it hurts. It's like sending a repair crew exactly where you need it. The really exciting part? Recent studies show that PRP is actually working better than many traditional treatments. People are reporting less pain and better movement, and some are even able to postpone or avoid knee replacement surgery. The second breakthrough treatment is something called stem cell therapy. Think of stem cells as your body's master builders. They can transform into whatever type of cell your body needs. When doctors inject these into your knee, they can help rebuild the cushioning that's worn away between your bones. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive, right? And you're not wrong. These treatments can cost anywhere from $900 to $6,000, and unfortunately, most insurance companies don't cover them yet. But here's the good news. Doctors are working on making these treatments more affordable, and some clinics offer payment plans. The third exciting development is something completely different. It's a combination approach using special protein solutions made from your own blood, along with targeted exercise therapy. This approach is showing amazing results because it doesn't just treat the pain, it helps rebuild and strengthen your knee at the same time. Here's what's really interesting. Out of all these new treatments, PRP therapy is emerging as the front runner. The latest research shows it's particularly effective for people with moderate to severe knee arthritis. Plus, it has fewer side effects than traditional treatments like steroid injections. But remember, everyone's knee pain is different. What works amazingly well for one person might not work as well for another. That's why it's so important to talk to your doctor about which option might be best for you. If you're thinking about trying these treatments, here are 3 important steps to take. Schedule a consultation with an orthopedic specialist who offers these new treatments. Ask about combining treatments with physical therapy for even better results. Check if any clinical trials in your area are offering these treatments at reduced costs. And hey, I know some of these treatments can be expensive and take time to arrange. If you need immediate relief while you explore your options, I recently discovered the One Compress Bamboo Knee Sleeve. It's under $50, and many of my viewers have told me it provides amazing support and comfort for their arthritic knees. I'll put a link in the description below. The gentle compression helps with blood flow and inflammation. It's not a cure, but it can definitely help make daily activities more comfortable while you work on a long-term solution. The future is looking brighter than ever for people with knee arthritis. These new treatments are giving hope to millions who thought they'd just have to live with the pain. If you're struggling with knee pain, don't give up. Talk to your doctor about these options. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest health breakthroughs. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these treatments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.